events tomorrow. As you guys know, you can get a chance to meet Hagrid, me, and Cool Monkey 3VR. He's not here because his uncle's just died. And you can meet Nightmare on VR. If you guys know him, he's my cousin. And you can meet all your favorite content creators: J-Man Curly, Club 11, Elliot, K9. Are you good?
Oh, I lost my hands. Oh, there we go.
And you can meet, what's his name again? Lemon Shark. I forgot his name.
I don't know what you're talking about either.
Kinda epic. Let's see. What other creators can we meet?
Ice Cube GT.
Ice Cube GT. Yeah. Oh wait.
That's one of my friends.
And Eric 1515, the one who
he hit 100 subs yesterday, and then got 15 subs after that. Yesterday.
Or what? Alright, so
I think he grew faster than you did.
Who?
Very honest. Ice Cube GT. I think he grew faster than you.
Do you know who Shadow GT is?
Who the frick is that?
He deleted his channel. I know why. But he was a very good content creator. He's very funny.
How many subs did he have?
I think like 1,170 subs.
If it was about 1,770 subs?
Yeah, I think it was. I forgot what.
I'm probably gonna beat that in like the start of next year or something.
Nah, he doesn't exist anymore. He deleted his channel because his subscriber count was not going well. Apparently, I feel bad.
What happened?
So I forgot what happened, but he did a live stream on it. And if you clicked on his channel while he was doing his live stream, it said this channel doesn't exist anymore. So then I feel bad. I wish he came back, 'cause that would be sick. So he could be here for this whole entire. Get away. Yo, man. You wanna see something?
No. Is Nightmare on right now?
I don't know.
That'd be funny if he was on. I friend requested him because I saw it in my friend It requested me to friend him because he was a friend of you. It was like, it said like, I'm actually friends with somebody with 700 subscribers. I'm also kind of friends with DJ Zowie 15. They have 2,600. No, 2,700, I think. Look behind you, by the way. You might want to look behind you.
Look behind you.
Now look in the mirror. Look in the mirror now. Look at the mirror now.
Okay.
Now close your eyes and count to 10.
1, 2, 3.
And when
4,
you get to 10, open
5,
your eyes.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where are you? That'll be a pretty good meme. So that's the end for the WeareVR explanation.
Bro,
you guys will be in it. Make sure to join.
That gives me hopefully that gives me 100,000 views if I post it as a short, or at least 10, at least like 5,000 views. Because Cool Monkey 3VR actually has a video that's that popular. It was something about the last day of school, when it's the last day of school. Wait, did we all grow faster in the summer?
Yeah, that's when I grew.
Wait, Bro,
Poplar.
our game just lagged. My game just lagged.
Okay.
You
Is there
think
somebody else in the
joined?
server? No.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't say it. Usually, when a server lags, that means somebody's joining.
You just glitched out. What? And why do I hear caves? Yeah, you want to join another code?
Yeah. Wait. I glitched out.
I glitched out as well.
I don't think that's anything. I don't think that. I think that might have been just a glitch, or maybe one of your, or maybe one of my friends. Or maybe one of my friends joining my name as a code. Well, I'm gonna make a fan code, but it's gonna be code Hagren probably. And,
Yo, you want to do the lava event?
Any game you could think of. I'll probably be in code Hagren. In any game you could think of. Oh, do you think we can? Do you think we can make it? Oh, it's spewing out. Run.
Oh. Get to the highest elevation!
Oh my god, that looks so amazing. No, the lava. Oh my god, this is real. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. No. What have we done?
I'm not a lava monkey. I'm immune to lava!
Wait, what if you actually go in the lava?
Nothing. Except if you're on an infection, you turn into a lava monkey.
Oh, if you're on infection, you turn into a lava monkey? That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
Wait, so it's gonna be like this forever?
I think. No,
Alright, so
it's not gonna be forever.
Do you want to parkour a city then? Is this gonna stay here for a while?
Nah, it's not gonna be for a while. It takes a couple of minutes.
Let's look at the cosmetics. Let's look at the cosmetics together.
Yeah, bro.
I wish
I'm still recording.
Here, bro.
Oh, you can see
Yo.
the volcano up there. That's sick.
What candle? Yo.
Imagine a ball. I just saw you go
glitch.
flying.
Bro, a glitch just sent me flying, bro. But
So,
that's actually a cool idea, bro. Wait, isn't it like that? Wait, did they take the idea of the lava rising like that and you turning into an infection monkey from J-Man Curly's like finger painter video?
Nah, I don't
Where he
think so.
gathered the other 9 finger painters
I don't
into
know,
a competition.
I never watched that video.
Yo, this is weird. Somebody said that this would probably mean that there would be the forest would be destroyed, but I'm not so sure if that would be good.
Yeah, because if
And
that ever
considering
happened,
that
they're
the
most likely
only-
going to lose players.
And also, you can't get into beach
Oh, yeah, that is
unless they
true.
make a new entrance into beach.
Yeah, bro. Man, I'm still wondering, why is our games glitching out?
Bro, my
feels like-
friends at school,
No, it's not.
are like, my friend, okay, I'm just saying, my friends at school know who Preserved VR is, and I tell them most of what he's done. Someone knew that he was racist, but then I told him what he sent to his friend, and I ain't gonna say
hold
it
up.
here, but
Whoa!
wait, do you think? Yo,
Dude.
what? Why do you look like that?
You look at your hands? Dude,
Yeah, that looks weird.
it looks like we're frozen monkeys now. Ooh, that would be a good infection idea. Frozen monkeys.
Wait, I know what frozen monkeys would be.
Yeah, like
Frozen
it's gonna
monkeys?
be. It could be a cover up for winter. You know, like infection, but
Oh, yeah,
instead of
that's a-
lava monkeys.
Yeah. That would actually be probably the. Wait. you know, the day October rolls around, I'm gonna make a video on what the Halloween update could be. That day, like, I'll probably do the video idea at like, I'll probably do the video thing at Thingamajiggy at like September 31st, and then post it like October 1st, 7 p.m. So I get it out early, in my time zone at least. Yo. Oh, I think that means it's gonna. Let's go. It's going down. That was actually super cool. Oh my god.
Yeah, bro.
Bro,
I like this
I know
update.
people in pub. Bro, if they could do this. Wait. What if we wait? Let's go into infection. Wait. Hold on. Let's leave the code and Let's leave the. Let's go to code Hagrin 1. And
Put on infection?
Yeah. I want to see if this actually works.
Yeah, bro. I'm in. App. Go back to app. Alright, bro. You ready?
Into app, right?
Yeah, you're in app
Let
right
me
now.
make sure. Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Wait. I think we need a lobby of 4.
Now, dude.
Wait. Oh, can we play? Wait, can we turn into lobby? Oh, I turned you. Oh. Let's see. This actually works. With that.
Go get it, Rufus.
And
What?
I became it. And now
Now
you're
I'm it. Bro, this update's insane. Now you're tagged.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro, this
if
is
we
insane.
stay in the lava, you get tagged. Now I got tagged, see?
Yeah,
This is sick.
Okay, this is actually quite annoying. Hey, do you want to join back in code Hagrin casual?
Yeah, let's go, bro. Yo, wait. I just figured out a trick. I learned this from someone else. If you go like this, you go flying.
That's cool, but let's go back. Let's go back.
Yeah. Oh, you got tagged.
Ah, frick.
But imagine
Okay,
people
okay.
just figure out this code.
Wait. I just realized you could do trolling in lobbies with this. I'm imagining the people in infection right now are freaking out. Wait, casual.
What if you put this on Hunt? Oh, yeah. What's up, bro?
Wait, okay, for a second there, you were just a bald monkey. Wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. I want to put some cosmetics on to cover on my bald spot.
Taking names.
Let me do something.
Yeah. Alright,
I swear to God, if you did it, did you do it? Like, please tell me.
No, I didn't do it yet.
Gotta put my face on and my hats on. Alright, cave's hat, doctor hat, kitty ears, wizard hat, golden monkey. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Hold up.
Okay. I'm here. By the way. Look at me. I'm here.
Oh, you have the glowing mask. Alright, bro.
This will protect my face. I can see it steaming. All right, I'm gonna help you. I swear to God.
One more.
And then another one. Oh, that just done.
What? It just started.
Oh, I think I ruined it.
Oh, there it is. Run.
Dog the bug. You can't lose him. Okay. I have dog the bug safe. Okay.
Bro, this is... Bro.
Alright, stop. No. Dog is fried in lava, bro. He didn't die. That'd be sad if he died, though. Next update, Doug is just gone. And now, there's a pile of poems representing Doug's shape.
Hold up, imagine this in the winter update. It's September though, so I'm just making a prediction when the next winter hits. You know, like December.
Whoa, wait. Why did they remove the trampolines
I have no idea.
from the summer update? There's no reason to do that.
Yo, imagine for the next winter update, Doug won't be here no more, but he'll still be here at the same time. So I'm guessing that in the next update, oh, I like this.
What? Doug just disappeared.
No, he doesn't disappear. He like hides because you know it's like snowing and all that stuff. Except it doesn't snow where I am.
No, I'm talking about Doug just disappeared from my hand.
Oh, he disappeared.
Wait, what's so funny about that?
Bro, you never seen that guy who went and then he disappears to midair.
Wait, hold up. Wait, hold on. You gotta put on the One Piece hat.
The One Piece, the One Piece is free.
The
Can we
One
get
Piece
much
is
Bro, I
the
just
One Piece, your mom.
One Piece, the One Piece is real.
I'm gonna ban you.
No! Get away. Oh, I hit you.
Wait.
You have to hit it with the back of the hammer.
Okay.
Wait, go like this. It's like the staff. Bro, how do you do that?
Wait, what the? Oh wait, I think you hit it with the sharp part. Wait, how the heck did I do that? What the? Okay.
Yo, you know there's a shiny rock gifting system?
There's actually a shiny rock gifting system?
Yeah, it's just you go through your uncle's store. And then you can just...
Okay.
You got it?
I don't usually see my uncle, but...
Yo, what? Yo, how... Bro, hold on. I need to test that on myself now. Take that hammer.
Well, I bought it, by the way. I bought it.
Yeah, I'm saving up for the hand flamethrower. It's cool.
Wait, hold on.
What?
I did it again. You hit the mirror with it, I think.
But it doesn't work.
Oh!
Well, how do you do that?
Oh. I did it again. Wait, can you break the mirror? Okay.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
I just heard someone
my God.
speak.
Oh. Wait. What?
Bro, it sounded like someone just spoke. There's no one else.
That might have been me.
No, it wasn't you though. It didn't sound like it was from your mic. It just sounded like a eh.
I don't think that's anything.
Yeah, just ignore that.
Oh my God, I did it again.
Bro, this looks so cool. I'm saying I could in a couple of days I could get this. Cause currently right now I have 3,700 shiny rocks.
Wait, how much is that? 4,000?
4,500.
Okay. This hammer was 4,500.
So if I save up for 3 days, I have 4,000.
So that means if I buy it,
So
if I
I have to wait.
the finger fire hand thing. Wait, hold on. What code are we joining?
What do you mean?
VR 12. Okay.
Yeah, we are
VR 12 for WeareVR.
Yeah. Beep. I don't have it.
Wait, what if someone's headset is dead and they can't join?
It's alright. I mean,
Wait,
they just have to be.
Event last? How long?
Oh,
does the
24
event
hours.
last?
24 hours.
Oh, I'll have enough time to get on.
Yeah, I will too. I'm so excited for it, to be honest. Like it's tomorrow.
Cool Monkey 3VR has to take a break like every 2 weeks. Like a 5 to 7 day break every 2 weeks.
Why?
I don't know. He told me on Sunday that he couldn't play until Friday.
Yo, look at. I'm on fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
But we don't usually all three. Wait, you know what I just realized?
What?
Me and Cool Monkey 3VR are soon to hit 3 times your subscriber amount.
Why is it always me who has the least? Yeah, bro. Look
You
at,
don't
look
even have 80 subs.
Yeah.
Maybe because you're most popular. I got most of my subs from the I'm at XD1 and Cube Runners video. Wait. I was gonna spend this time grinding Seavis only up.
Alright, well, if you're gonna go right now, I'm gonna end the video here.
You can join me.
Alright, I'll join you in a bit. I need to post this video. Alright, see you guys later, and I hope I can see some of you in the WeareVR event. The code to me, Hagrid, and Cool Monkey 3VR will be WeareVR 12. Make sure you join that code. If you're in the time zone I'm in, it's here. I'll show you guys. For me. So if you guys are in the same time zone, make sure to join at 1 p.m. If you're late, that's alright. There's no panic, because it lasts 24 hours. It's pretty long. So make sure to join us in WeareVR. And yeah, just goodbye. Hope you guys enjoy your day. And if you're on the weekend, hope you guys enjoy the weekend. Yeah, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you next time.
I think everybody's day is on the weekend right